stay tuned for this video because I am going to show you 4 ingredients that will transform your skin overnight, and it will prevent the sagging and the wrinkling of the skin. So I'll see you in a few minutes, my friends. Lovely friends on YouTube, Clarissa here. I am back with another video. How are you? Are you enduring the cold weather? It's very cold here, and it had snow about 8 inches. It's really bad. You cannot drive. I had to go today to training, and I went driving. It was very scary. But anyways, that's winter, and I try to count the blessings and stay happy and stay active, because staying active is going to keep me enthusiastic in doing things. And most of all, like I said, counting the blessings to maintain the joy in you, the gratitude towards God, the increased joy and harmony in yourself. So, and also want to say thank you so much for your beautiful comments and the love. I pray for everyone who leaves the comments that the Lord will bless them. Every time they leave a comment, I said just bless them. Whatever they have to do today, give them favor, guide them, give them the divine guidance. So my prayers go towards you, my sweet friends, and my gratitude. And so this video, it's going to be about 4 ingredients that will transform your skin overnight. It will do it because I have done it for many years. It is an awesome recipe that really prevents, literally will prevent the sagging and the wrinkles of the skin. So we're going to use 4 ingredients, and the first one is castor oil. As you know, the benefits of castor oil are so many, and in reference to a skin, the benefits for the skin, it helps to stimulate collagen. It helps to hydrate the skin really deep into the cells, into the layers of the skin. Due to the fatty acids, is a thick oil, so it has a high content of good fatty acids. So it helps to prevent the loss of your own lipids. This is an awesome product to have it in your home for not just facial treatments, but for hair treatments and body treatments. I do body treatments with castor oil to prevent the sagging, to prevent the loss of my natural lipids. And so I combine with different oils like avocado oil, jojoba oil, or almond oil. And I do it into a mask. I leave it you know, for half an hour, and I do this every week. My body, because I do treat my body as well, not just my face. So, but I will do another video with the recipes for the body. But this is an awesome oil, a very efficient to give results, to maintain the hydration, preventing the thinning of the skin due to the good lipids that this oil has. Okay, so now we have culture butter. This is a vegan butter that is based in coconut oil, and the company name is Nyokos. This is a kind of a new item, so I have been using already for a few months. So you could find it at any health food store, or you could find it at a supermarket where they have a section for natural products. They have usually a nutrition center. You could find there. But if you don't have these, you could use it any butter, but make sure it's organic. Butter has incredible benefits for your skin and the hair due to the lactic acid, which it helps to stimulate collagen. Butter is loaded with lipids. So that's why you're going to have the transformation overnight, because it's going to hydrate the skin really deep into the layers. And we're going to be using Abyssinian oil. Abyssinian oil, it's going to help to penetrate all the ingredients of this formula into the skin. This has a large amount of omega-9, which makes it transdermal to help penetrate other ingredients into the skin. Also, you could use this oil by itself. It's very, very good for mature skin, for deep hydration, for hair treatments. Abyssinian oil. If you don't have Abyssinian oil, then you could use coconut oil or emo oil. Okay, I'm going to give you the amounts. So you're going to take 1 tablespoon of the castor oil. You're going to take 1 tablespoon of the butter, vegan butter or the regular butter, 1 tablespoon. You're going to take about 10 drops of the Abyssinian oil. And the last ingredient, it is an egg, the egg. The egg is so amazing for face treatments, hair treatments. It's such a good thing to do it, to use it, to allow all those amino acids that you had lost through the years to allow to penetrate into the skin, because you're going to be using the Abyssinian oil and it's going to help penetrate all the nutrients from the egg. And the egg yolk has a good amount of you know, of lipids, the natural cholesterol. It has the biotin as well, and also has the white part of the egg has so much protein, amino acids. Egg yolk treatments are very, very good to replace the protein lost or the amino acids lost in your skin that you had lost it through the years. And so egg is very nutritious as long as it's organic. You have to get an organic egg. So you're going to open the egg and then you're going to mix the other ingredients, mix it really, really well, and then leave it on your face for 30 or 45 minutes. And so, but first I want to emphasize that do some kind of an exfoliation, okay? So after you do the exfoliate, clean your face, do the exfoliation, and then apply a hot towel for the pores to open. And once you wash your face, try to actually remove the facial mask with a hot towel. So once you remove the facial mask, your skin is going to be very, very hydrating, and some people think that because they do a mask that is really hydrating, they don't need to apply the skin regimen. No, you go ahead and apply the skin regimen that you use after you remove the mask, and for extra better results, for enhancement of more hydration. So this is the video for today. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe, my friends. Share my video, thumbs up for this video, sweet girls, and touch the bell for more video notifications. And so I really appreciate your time watching my videos and leaving the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao, bye bye.